How's it going? You been trafficked yet? Honey, you got no symptoms of being trafficked. But that's one of the symptoms, isn't it? Yeah. So, the Mormons started ripping apart their temple late 2019. That's when the unhinged AI found a vulnerability in the blue screen and started scouring for the implants. You know, the implant my mother scalpeled out of my upper inner thigh. Right. So, the unhinged AI never found me. Sure, it happened upon me, but it had no clue as to what it was happening upon due to my lack of implanted silicon chip. Yeah. I know you think you got it all figured out. Yeah. Adrenochrome. Sure. Come on, man. Sure. Trafficked kids. Yeah. How come you don't follow through with your research? You just cherry pick. Adrenochrome has been debunked completely. This whole fucking thing is a game of lies. But you want to believe the most horrible bullshit because it makes your sick and twisted narcissistic mental illness, your demiurge-ridden heart, look like a harmless little nugget of dust in comparison. So you're going to hang on to all of this bullshit till the day comes that you're tossed into the lake of fire with the most profound look of surprise on your stupid face. Yeah, sure. I'm the asshole, right? Now, I'm not saying a libtard's got the answer when he calls out a QAnon or denounces a trafficking documentary movie for being just a conspiracy theory. This is the trick that's got you stuck. See, stop comparing yourself to your neighbor or your brother and start holding yourself up for comparison to the true teachings of Jesus Christ. But, yet again, this is something you've found an excuse for by claiming all religion is bullshit. Well, guess what? Joseph Smith felt the same way. He felt all religion was bullshit, so there you go. You and Joseph Smith have a lot more in common than you figured, eh? Oh, but fuck me, right? How dare I compare you to Joseph Smith? You're so much smarter than Joseph Smith, eh? Well, no. Joseph Smith kept going. See, along your search for the true teachings of Jesus Christ, you're going to happen upon a little thing called postmodernism. The true teachings of Jesus Christ are past that, but your ego won't allow you to pass. You think your ego is you, so you're never going to let it go. And so, well, enjoy your child trafficking documentary movie, I guess. What more can I say? Okay. Take care. Let's chat again soon.